Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix missing Shopify navigation tab. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if your navigation tab here is missing on Shopify, there are going to be a few things that you need to do. So first things first, you want to make sure that your navigation is properly set up on your Shopify store. So first is going to be the section here or the admin dashboard. So what you need to do is you want to go to content. You want to go to menus, and you want to make sure that main menu here is properly set up. So when you click on it, you should see different menu items. Now, if you don't see any menu items here, this might be the cause. So why you're not seeing anything, though you may have accidentally deleted the links that you have here. But to be speaking, if you click on add menu item, you just need to specify the label as well as the link that you want to redirect it. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to your online store. By the way, let's go and discard this one since we don't want to make changes here. Let's go to online store here. You want to go to themes and you want to go and click on the customize button that you see here. Now, what you need to do is you want to make sure that your menu is properly set up. So, for example, we have the section here or our header. Let's go and click on it. Now, the thing with headers here is by default at the right side here in our properties, we have our menu. Now, if you don't set this up, like for example, you've removed your menu here, your menu will be missing. So in this case, you want to select a menu here. Make sure that you've properly set up. So in my case, I've set up our change. We actually changed the main menu. In this case, main menu navigation before. So let's go and choose that one, and it will show you your main menu here, as you can see right now. So yeah, so just make sure to click on save edits up right here once you've made the changes. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.